This program is adding the list elements using recursive function call. This nums is a global variable which is a list having 5 elements. You want the sum of these elements using recursion, right? So we will come over here in the main function. We are invoking addList function taking this nums list, right? So nums will be assigned to this LST parameter, right? And whatever this addList function returns will be assigned to this sumList variable. Okay. So LST has become 6487. Okay. Is the length of LST, which is 5, is 5 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Return, go back to the main function taking the first value. 0th index location means the first value of the list, that is 6. So go back to the main function taking 6. But 6 cannot be taken back to the main function. Why? Because you are doing the recursive call again and taking what? Taking the list from the first index location till end. See, after the colon, if you don't write anything, it means up till the last element of the list. So the first list element is 4th. See, 6 is at 0th index location, 4 is at first index location. So from 4 till the last element, that is up to 7, all the list elements are taken and assigned to this LST parameter. That is, the first element 6 is pushed to the stack and these elements will be assigned to the LST parameter. Is the length of the list, that is 4, is greater than 1? Yes. Return LST 0, 0th element is 4. Go back to the main function taking 4 and call the addList function from the first index location, that is from the 8th element till end. But because of the recursive call, control cannot go back to the main function. So this 4 is again pushed to the stack and LST parameter will get these value 837. The length of LST is 3. Is 3 greater than 1? Yes. So go back to the main function taking the 0th element. The 0th element is 8. And invoke the addList function taking the values from first index location, that is from 3 till 7. These two elements will be assigned to the LST parameter. Because control cannot go back to the main function taking value 8, 8 will be pushed to the stack. LST has received the value 3 and 7. The length is 2. Is length 2 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Return, go back to the main function taking the 0th element. 0th element is 3. And again do the recursive call taking value 1 till last element. 7 is the only element left. So the 7 is assigned to the LST parameter and this 3 will be pushed to the stack. Okay. 7 is assigned to the LST. The length of LST is 1. Is 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Return, go back to the main function taking this value 7 and call the addList function with empty list because there is nothing left in the list now. Okay. So this 7 is pushed to the stack. LST is become the empty list. The length of empty list is 0. Is 0 greater than or equal to 1? No. So the else statement is executed and this return 0 means go back to the main function taking the value 0. So the compiler will go back to the main function taking this value 0 and will look at the stack. Whatever the value are in the stack, it will be popped and will be added because here it is a plus sign. Got it? So all of the values will be popped and will be added with the value 0. So 0 is added to 7, 7. Then this 3 is popped, 7 plus 3 is 10. Then 8 is popped, 10 plus 8 is 18. Then this 4 is popped, 18 plus 4 is 22. And then 6 is popped, 28. Right? Let's run this program also. I'm running it. See, sum of list element is 28. So this program is working perfectly well.